welcome to my channel. I'm Jennita, and for today's video I'll be continuing with the Huda Beauty palette soaps. You know that I bought from AliExpress. I already did one for the nude one, the Mars, Jupiter, and now it's time for Saturn. I will link in my description box the whole products that I already used. If you know, I already have my face done, so you know, let's do this faster. As a eye primer, I use the contour kit by Anastasia available here. Wow. I love the pigment. Today I'm gonna do a intermediate tutorial, like, you know, not so dramatic look but not a simple look, so I wanna do something like in the middle. Let's see what happened at the end. I usually cut everything that I say here because it's gonna be so long. I'm gonna try to use as much as I can. So now it's time for this and this. Well, the last one matte is this one, so let's gonna grab this. Basically, I'm using the same colors that I used before and using my lower lashes. I'm gonna try to use this one, the last shade here, the corner. Then this one, then this one, next this one, and finally this one in my inner corner. And it's gonna be the whole palette. No regrets to buy this, to bought this one. Now this one. So only two shades are this one and this one. So you know, this is on my inner corner. So I'm gonna apply this. Okay, this side, which is clean, this one. I'm gonna add this one too. This is the hard candy, the Glitteratzi eyeshadows. This is the Mercury Rising. I'm gonna try to use this on my inner corner and see what happens. A little bit of glitter. now I apply this. So now I'm gonna apply these eyelashes. I did a smoke eyeliner, you know, it's trendy now, and I did use this Wetnwild H2O proof eyeliner. Let's do the prompts. Physician's formula. You know that I hate highlighters in creams, but I'm gonna do an experiment with this. So I'm gonna use the base as a highlighter. I hope it works. Like, I'm gonna use this Wetnwild lipstick. This is the Notice Peach. I'll be back with something special that I have for this video. And this is the final look. As you can see, I dyed my hair. Oh no, this is a wig. This is an Amazon wig. Hope you like it. This tutorial using this palette by Beauty Glazed, and this brought by Hard Candy or Glitteratzi. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!